I will show you how to find the good bugs. You dig hard. Good son, good. Here's a red bud.
Ohio! Today we are going to Monkey Park and Bamboo Forest?
Yes.
Bamboo Forest.
Yeah.
It's in Arashima.
Yep.
In Kyoto.
Yep.
I'm excited for the monkeys, but I don't want them to steal anything of mine. I'm scared they're going to pull my hair and take my hat.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, 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 look. Zoom that.
What is that? Oh, it's a fish head.
I bet you some cats dug out a fish head.
It's a fish head.
Okay, bye, fish head.
Okay, bye-bye, Jenny. We're like 4 minutes before boarding or before departure, so we're like, oh crap, we're gonna miss it.
You got a far way.
Okay, we gotta go. We don't want to miss it. I mean, we could technically go in,
Yeah.
and then just like.
I hate risking it.
Alright, we're not risking it. Woo, we made it! We're in Kyoto. Hey, little guy. That guy is really happy. Oh yeah, he is a monkey. I just realized. Alright, don't have to go that fast, Charlie. She's on an adventure. She's on a mission to go see these monkeys. We're at Kyoto. We're actually at the Arashiyama station, trying to figure out our directions to get to the monkey park. It's hotter in Kyoto than it is in Tokyo. What I've been told is that Kyoto is known for their matchas. So I might be getting some matcha ice cream or some matcha candy. Nico, Nico, Nico! Katsu, katsu, katsu! Matcha, matcha, matcha! I hope we're going the right way. Da, 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 da. My head is so shiny because it's so hot. There's a temple behind me. If you go that way, we might visit there afterwards, even though we wanted to go to the bamboo forest. Wait, do you think they have that the mochi makers here?
Oh.
You know, the ones that you see in Facebook?
I think we would hear them first.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they would be yelling pretty loud, huh? Your name and how you. Oh my gosh. The people that are wearing kimonos is so cute. So we're on the bridge. I'm using my little GoPro to film some footage. There's a beautiful river and there's a lot of like small boats. I'm assuming they're fishing.
They look like tourist boats.
Okay, they look like tourist boats, so we'll see. Explain your emotions within 2 words.
Freshly amazed. I just saw a pine cone fall off the tree and roll into the river. Okay. They're wrestling.
They're like, why aren't you sharing with me? I thought we made a pact. No, man, it's all mine. It's all mine. Seems like one's winning than the other.
Oh, bye-bye.
Okay, Johnny. Sayonara. Huh?
Climbing the tree, grabbing fruit.
Oh. Johnny.
Oh, oh,
Oh. Oh
oh
my.
my gosh.
They're like, oh.
Oh. Just stay still. Just stay still. That one's a boy. What if he throws rocks at us?
Oh, look at him, look at him.
Oh my gosh. Just stay still. Just stay still.
It's the mama.
Oh, you best stay away from the mom, Kenji.
Oh, look at that big red butt.
Yeah, you best stay away from the mom.
What are they doing? I hope that's a mama and a son, because that would have been very inappropriate. Oh, they're so close to me. They are literally 2 inches away from me. Oh,
Okay.
oh! He likes you, Charlene.
I think he saw you go.
I attracted a monkey and he really liked my leg. And my tactic was just don't make eye contact, walk away slowly, please don't bite my leg off. Please and thank you. Thanks. Goodbye.
Or not even top it.
There's a koi pond.
Where the viewing is. Damn. Go, baby, go. Dang, look over there on the roof. This is the feeding room. So you can like give them food behind these netted gates. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're fighting. Oh. Feed the baby. Oh wait, never mind. The baby can't chew. I forgot.
Look at this one eating all the scraps.
Like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Kenji, ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh. That was really cool. Saw a lot of very pretty monkeys.
Monkey butts.
Monkey butts. Lots of female monkey butts. They're very bright and red.
A lot of them.
Bright. One of the monkeys tried to grab my cameras.
Oh yeah.
I was trying to take a picture of Charlene, and then he came behind me and then started grabbing my leg, and then started climbing a little bit, and then tugged on the bottom of the
tripod.
The tripod. And then one of the what are they? The rangers, I suppose. She was like, "Oi, oi, oi!" I was like, oh. I was gonna let it happen. All right, we're back down from the mountain, and we're gonna head over to the bamboo forest.
There's this thing right
Hey, I got this.
Green tea, red bean, mango.
And I got, hey, I got an espresso in a cup. Try it. Good?
Nah, just kidding. This one's good.
It's good? It's good? Let me try.
The touch of the mango in there is like refreshing.
Mmm. That is really good. Okay, let me try.
No!
What?
Don't eat the cone yet.
Why?
Don't.
Okay, fine.
That's
Give me the
not
ice cream.
my method.
A little serving?
Yeah. Almost ruined my cone ritual.
It's really good. Really, really good.
bored of the bamboo forest, no offense.
Yeah.
It's beautiful and all, but it's bamboo.
Yeah, and there's just too many people. I think
There's a lot of people.
I think it's a holiday today, so that's why like a lot of people wearing kimonos, and then just forest is not big enough for the amount of people that are here. So we're gonna cut the bamboo forest a little bit short, and then probably get something to eat before we catch our next bullet train back, or not back, but towards Osaka.
Rubbed it.
You rub it. Rub it harder. It gives you fortune and luck. Rub it like you've never rubbed something before. So we were walking back to the JR station and we stumbled across this little small cafe that sells a bunch of burgers and drinks. And what interesting was that they were in their black beef curry, and then also a black hamburger, which I thought that was really interesting. But we didn't end up getting any food. We just got peach black tea, which is what Charlie wanted to try. It's like a little small museum. I'm assuming that's what the trains used to be a long time ago.
Matcha beer.
Oh my god, it tastes like matcha. It's matcha beer. You taste the bitterness, but then it kicks in with the matcha flavoring. It's pretty strong too. You like it? Oh, she likes it.
The aftertaste is kicking in. Let's go.
Yay, we made it. Okay, so we're gonna go towards the north central exit. Osaka is like equivalent to Tokyo, but it's so busy. Oh, there it is. Yodobashi. What is that? You made that? We
are in Osaka.
finished looking at the electronics store in Osaka, which is called Yodobashi Vision is the electronics store in Osaka. That store is insane. I actually bought a lens, but I don't want to use it right now.
Kenhie got a new toy.
Yeah, I got a new lens. I won't show it right now because I'm going to test it out tomorrow because I'm running out of batteries and I only brought 5 today. I already used up 3 of them, so I'm going to save the rest.
Charlene wants a selfie stick. Everyone start a GoFundMe.
Alright, yeah.
Selfie stick.
She wants a selfie. We were looking for a selfie stick that had multi-directional buttons on
like
the selfie
on
stick.
the thumbstick part.
Yeah, so she doesn't have to keep bringing it back in and then having to adjust the frames or
Kenhie,
whatever.
down your phone.
Oh no, I'm gonna keep it up right now. So anyway, Osaka is pretty huge. Unfortunately, we don't have that much time in Osaka because we're gonna go to Nara Park tomorrow morning. Maybe if we finish early, we can come back and explore the city a little bit. But
Yeah.
right now, we're gonna go back to the station, find out where we can get a hotel room, and then try to sleep early so we can go to the Nara Park in the morning. For the rest of the night, I'm gonna be filming with my phone because I need a save battery for tomorrow. I want to use the camera, especially for the Nara Park. So.
I spoke Chinese.
Oh yeah. In order for us to buy the camera, communication in Japanese was non-existent. So apparently she spoke Chinese. So Charlene used her Zhongwen. Is that right?
Zhongwen.
Zhongwen, yeah. To kind of help us buy and purchase the camera lens.
I was able to ask questions.
Yes, it was very good, very good. She's practicing for her Taiwan trip. So we made it to Shinsaibashi, which is where we're hoping our hotel will be. We haven't really booked it yet, so we gotta look for it.
Hello, welcome to my abode.
Oh, wow, thank you.
Come on in. I paid $80 for this shit.
Oh, yes. Actually, it's 75 to be exact.
$75 US.
Yes, 75 US dollars. But yeah, it's really nice. Is the light on?
Just
Oh, that's not it. We are currently walking around Shimbashi. It's like a little tiny Shibuya style where it's a bunch of coffee shops, little tiny restaurants. There's another thing that I wanted. What?
Can you just put your feet by the sewage
Sure.
So you can tell that it's, no, not on
No.
it.
So another thing that I wanted to
To the
mention.
side,
God, Charlene.
like facing it.
Oh my God.
No,
What do you mean by facing it?
like a clock.
Like a what? Like this?
No, just like right here, like this.
I would
No, you are not perpendicular.
like that.
No.
What do you want me to do?
Yeah.
She's being annoying. She's trying to be fancy, but it's not working. It's a freaking pothole. She's trying to make it fancy.
You know what this reminds me of?
This reminds me of Hong Kong.
This reminds me.
Wow, this actually reminds me of the walkway in Las Vegas.
That's what I was about to say.
Oh my God, this is the busiest part of Shinsai Bashi. So, a thing that I want to note that I was discussing with Charlene like 2 seconds ago is I'm so impressed by how Japan organizes their stores. Like everything is so open. Look at that. Like none of them are afraid, or at least I'm assuming they're not afraid of like death.
Okay, we are leaving.
Wow, how much is it?
179.
Oh my God. Yeah, they're not afraid of theft in this country. So they like everything is super wide open. They're not afraid of anything here. It's the running man. Apparently he's very famous. I had no idea. I mean, I've seen him before, I think, and everyone's taking pictures with him right now. We're heading back to our hotel now. I am really tired, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna go home, take a shower, sleep, and I will see you in the morning.
To Nara Park.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Tokyo Drift.
Anana Tokyo. It's like we're in LA, but without the cool cars and the loud ass music in the middle of the street.